I'm gonna show you what I will do starting today if I had $1,000 and my goal was to make it to $1 million again, knowing what I know now after more than a decade of trading. Now, the first thing is timing. I will give myself a reasonable time to make it. In my opinion, it's not possible to make it before 2 years. Okay, so it's 2 years plus. It's not something that's gonna happen exactly at 2 years, but this is definitely not gonna happen before 2 years. This is something I'm gonna do. I'm starting with $1,000 today. My goal is to make it to 1 million. It is completely impossible to make it before 2 years. Now, depending on where you are today in your trading journey, there's two things you need to be clear about. The first thing, you need to be clear about your trading style. The second thing, you need to be clear about your analysis style of the market. Some people want to be long-time investors, swing traders, day traders. I don't really promote day trading, especially if you're just starting. It is possible to make it to $1 million regardless of what is your trading style. The most important is not the trading style in itself. Your trading style should reflect your personality. There is a group of people that can be day traders. They are good at it. There is a group of people that are swingers. I am more into swing and long term. There is a group of people for every style of investment. And those who manage to be good at that particular style of investment is because that trading style literally fits their personality. This is something you have to find for yourself. People have different type of personality. They have different type of risk tolerance. The economic reality of everybody is not the same. So definitely your trading style should reflect your personality. And then your analysis style. Maybe you want to be a fundamental analysis. I have friends that makes lots of money. They are fundamentalists. If you join my Discord channel, everything's always free in my channel or my Discord when we are mostly active. You will quickly realize that there is a variety of different type of traders. So the way you should see it is, you must have a way to act on the market, and then you must have a way to take information from the market. These input-output movement, the more accurate it gets, the better your trading's activity will be. The third point here is you have to join a group of traders, and not any group of traders. I'm not talking about people that are making calls, peaks, signal. That's not what I'm saying. You want to be part of a group of traders with a very specific mindset. You want to be part of a group of people that are more into exchange and showing, teaching, and then learning. You're learning from them. You have, when you are part of that group, you have to have that feeling that everybody is learning from everybody. This is the type of group you want to be part of. We're talking about moving from 1,000 to 1 million. The second characteristic of a good trading group, when you join a trading group, they must have different approach in your market. There is thousands and thousands of indicators in the market, and you don't pick an indicator. The indicator is the one who picks you, because the reality is, whenever you are in front of the chart, and I'm talking for those that are especially into technical analysis, when you're sitting in front of a chart, every single person who is sitting in front of the chart at the same time as you are is literally looking at the same data. Now, the better you get at trading, the less indicator you use. But one thing that I've realized in our Discord channel, there's traders that are using indicators that I personally have never heard about. I don't have an idea of how they work. But one thing is, it doesn't matter if the group has 200 people, 50 people, 1,000 people. The most important thing is that every single one of these people, on top of being good learners and avid learners, if I can say, they must have different type of approach in the market. They should be acting in the market using different type of tool. Very diverse group in which you have all type of traders that are actively taking action in the market using different type of analysis. The reason why this is important is because at the end of the day, it's either you're gonna buy, it's either you're gonna sell, or you're just gonna stay away. Now, when you are part of that group, regardless of how many tools everybody's using, at some point in the middle of the exchange, in the middle of the discussion, you will have an idea of who's most likely to buy and who's most likely to sell. Another good thing about being a part of a diverse group is you will quickly know who's successful or not based on the way that they talk about their trade, based on the way they are open about their trade. You are using a set of tool or different type of analysis. There's another person in the group, it's a well-known good traders in the group, and that person is expressing the same sentiment as you. It can give you lots of confidence, or it can make you more skeptical about your assets. But the thing is that at the end of all that, you're gonna have a few buyers and you're gonna have a few sellers. The other aspect of it is, we're talking about moving from 1,000 to 1 million. You have to keep a job. You have to keep some kind of income that can support all the necessary of your lifestyle. Insurance, housing, your car, all the things you need, to function without stress. The reason is very simple. This happens to me, trading, relying on that for income. The stress is different. I will say, do whatever it takes to reduce your level of stress. Your regular job is a tool, just like any tools, that can give you that kind of peace of mind to make the decision you need in the market, because you don't need to come in the market with stress, because the market will already stress you enough. So you need to have some kind of income that will cover the necessary and to maintain your lifestyle. Now, the last point is treat trading as a business and always take the next trade. Do not present yourself as a trader. You are not a trader. You have a business of trading. Every business wants to make money every business day. And as a trader, you want to make money every business day. So you don't want one trade to affect your willingness to take the next one. You see a setup, you take the trade. So as a conclusion, guys, these are all the things that I would do if I was to start with $1,000 to $1 million, knowing all the things that I know now. Number one, be reasonable about the timing. It's impossible under 2 years. It will probably take you more than 2 years, 2 years and plus. The number thing I would do is you have to have a clear identity in the market. What kind of trader you are and how do you study market? What kind of analysis approach you have? The third thing I would do is join a good trading group. Don't do this by yourself. It's impossible. Number 4, keep an income that will sustain your lifestyle. Number 5, understand. Treat this activity as a business. So if you had any value from this talk that we had today about trading psychology, remember to subscribe and remember to share and make comments about what kind of aspect of the trading psychology. Tell me a little bit more about what is the most difficult thing you've been facing lately or maybe in the past, and then we will go over them and address those issues in the channel. Now take care guys. I'll see you on the next video. Bye.